friends, running kimono, and if you didn't know, Walgreens is summer fun in the sun merchandise, so pools, floaties, stuff like this, 90% off with the exception of a couple unicorns we'll talk about. I actually spent about $20 out of pocket and $50 of Walgreens cash. So the sum of this haul was about 70 bucks. I did get $1 back from IBOTTA for the Sharpies, but a really great haul. A lot of stuff. I was very picky this year. I wasn't buying everything and anything. I was being very fussy. So the first thing I'm going to show you guys is this, which are these double pack of the Bic lighters. So it says candle edition. So this has to do something to do with summer. And here is the UPC, although it doesn't do you much good. If you just want to look for the exact one, here it is. And just to show you, I actually ripped the tag off of the display because I was sure that I might have some trouble at checkout. And they were $1.09 each, so 90% off. And I bought all 10 because I do love burning candles, and I usually pay maybe $5 for one of these Bic lighters. I don't like using the little itty bitty, you know, lighters like that. I like the longer ones, especially for candles, like, you know, so you're not burning your fingers. So look for these in the front of the store. They were tagged at my store, so I was very lucky to find them, and I got all 10. I did find more at a different store, but I thought with 10, you know, I don't want to light my house on fire today, so I just stopped right there. The next item that I got were these Sharpies, and it's a little 8-pack, and they were they weren't with the summer fun and the sun stuff, but they were like part of the back to school. So I'm like, I'm gonna get the cashier to scan it, and they were ringing up for $1.09 each. IBOTTA has 50 cents back for each, so they were 59 cents after everything is said and done. I always manage to find Sharpies whenever this clearance event happens in the end of the summer, so it's kind of funny. Now this is one product, gosh, I wish I could have found more of, which are these Zuru Buncho balloons. So I believe this is like 3 packs of 100 or 100 plus, who really knows. They were $9.99 and they were 99 cents, 90% off. So definitely grabbed all of them that I could find. Another great little find for my nieces for next, you know, Easter, are the chalk. They were 19 cents each. The original price was $1.99. Now don't come for me. I was able to find some coolers, and I know a lot of people couldn't find coolers. This one by Arctic Zone, and they're really nice actually. You could put a lot of drinks in there, up to 9, and they were $1.69. The original price is $16.99. So I got a couple of those. Also for the kiddos, we have the Doug and Melissa. These are for like the bathtub. I thought for a baby shower gift, there's a lot of babies being born, friends and family, very soon. These were $1.39. The original price was $13.99. Doug and Melissa, very good company. Also, lots of these kids summer, you know, go explore birds, keep busy, that sort of thing. $1.59, $1.09. So if you see these activity sets, get the cashiers to scan them. Unfortunately, you can't use the Walgreens app to check out prices. You have to, you know, scan, ask the cashier with the zebra, or bring it to the front and ask for a price check. And, you know, ask really nicely. They should probably help you out. The last couple items I bought were 4 of these, it's like a big watermelon that's a sprinkler. I just thought it was kind of hilarious. So $12.99 is the original price point, and they were $1.29 by this company H2Go. So definitely be on the lookout for H2Go. I would also head out ASAP. I went to a store when I was leaving work today, and the store had nothing left. So somebody hit that store really hard, so congratulations. There wasn't a crumb left. I also found 2 of these pools. So the original price point is $34.99, and I paid $3.49 for an 8-foot pool. I think my cats are gonna enjoy swimming in that next summer. And then the last little item that I found was the Banza. So this is a different company, be on the lookout for that. It's just a little sprinkler set, and I thought it was super uber cute. The original price point was $21.99, and I paid $2.19. I did use a whole lot of Walgreens cash to pay down this, and again, I didn't really feel it out of pocket. It was 20 bucks. I'm usually better with the math where I can get it to $50 and use $50 of Walgreens cash. So I ended up paying $20 out of pocket for my haul, but I think the overall retail value was like $550 for everything that I got, and it was a lot. You guys saw the table. And so definitely, even if you see things tagged at 70% off, bring it to the front cashier, ask for a price check, or ask them to check it with their Zebras, which is a handheld price scanner. I know that certain parts of New England, they do have price scanners in the store, but most of us don't have that luxury. A lot of this cute little candles, fun in the sun, flip-flops, all this stuff is part of it. But some stores might be, they might have more stuff. If you live in a very touristy area with beaches and, everybody is there to participate in the summer, I find that those stores specifically, there's less merchandise, but definitely look for this sign. It says it's happening from the 6th right till the 23rd. So it's going right till that Friday. There is one store near me, and as I was leaving work today, I was like, I'm going to just stop in there, and I'm going to show you a photo here in a quick second. There was absolutely nothing left. So the fact that they say the 23rd, because this is happening on a Tuesday, I know that a lot of stores, because they're trying to get really ready for Halloween, what they'll probably do is box everything up by the weekend, and then they send it out to a warehouse where people that do retail arbitrage at a really high level, buy $5,000 to $7,000 pallets, they're going to buy probably all these shelf pulls. So just to show you, this is what it looked like, and this was the Summer Fun in the Sun, and I was there around early afternoonish, guys, and there is no way, unless there was a bunch of couponers there, but everybody in town bought all the fun in the sun stuff and every last thing of sidewalk chalk. It just, everything was really gone at this one store. Unless the employees bought everything, I don't understand how everything was just gone. And I visited 3 stores today. And the last one had absolutely nothing. And for me, the hardest part was to not buy everything. But just recently, I donated a bunch of stuff to a not-for-profit group because I had so much extra fun in the sun stuff from 2 summers ago. So just be really intentional of what you want to buy, what your budget is, and, will you use this or gift it to somebody, or do you have plans for it? That's a really good thing to have on your list before you go out and buy everything and anything, if you find everything and anything. And if your store has these 70% off tags, perhaps people think, oh, it's still 70%, forget that. And you might actually score a really big haul. Good luck, guys, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye.